Welcome to Geek-Dom. I'm your host Don, and today I'm going to be going over editing the host file on your local computer. This puts a name to the IP address. Like myself, I have a lot of Raspberry Pis, computers, printers, and I don't always want to have to type in the IP address. Because one, I may not remember it off the top of my head. It is a lot more typing. So instead of having to type the IP address in your browser here, or ping, or whatever, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll be doing it with Notepad++. That's my preferred text editor. It just does a better job. You can do this with Notepad built into Windows. You do have to right click on it and select as administrator, or you will not be able to save your changes. So with that, we're going to go to File, Open, and then we're going to navigate to your C drive, Windows, System 32, Drivers, and then Etsy. Okay. Now in Notepad you do have to drop this down and select all files. So the path is C, Windows, System 32, Drivers, Etsy, and the file is host. So going to do the same thing over here in Notepad++. Go to C drive, Windows, System 32, Drivers, Etsy, and open host. Now when you open it, you will see an example here. So the format you want to file is the IP address without any fat finger typing. Tab over and then type the name. Now Notepad++, when you go to save it, it's going to tell you you have to be administrator mode. Hit yes and then save. Alright, so we'll close that out. Let's pull our browser back up and just type NIMS or whatever device you've set up. Okay, so let's just try that on Edge here. Nope. http://NIMS, just because it's the first time I'm doing it in this browser. So another test. Let's pull up a command prompt here and ping NIMS. Beautiful. Now this also makes it a lot easier when you go to putty in, because you can just type the name, open, log in, and again I do suffer from fat finger syndrome, so and there we go. This is not something you have to do. It's just, for me, since I'm always getting into my devices, it just makes it a lot easier for me. So hopefully this helped you out. If you like it, please hit that subscribe and like button. And see you guys next time.